nursery called Nick's Edibles. At Nick's Edibles, I got myself a low-chill plum called Scarlett Beauty. One of the interesting things about this plum is that it's self-fertile. It only requires 150 chill hours to produce per year, which puts it on par with my Florida Prince Peach, which is probably my best producer. So I'm going to go ahead and get it in the garden. And there we go. I now have a low-chill plum in the garden. I'll be training it up and seeing exactly what it does and tracking its growth to see exactly how good this plum is. Thank you very much and have a good day. Alright, here's something cool that I've got growing right in the grass. If you know what this is, leave a message in the comment. Or comment in the message section. This is a Meme Sapote. It'll be going in the ground soon. A little bit of a nursery going here. Another type of mulberry. I got a couple small mangoes there. I got walking onions in this pot. Got to keep them in the pot or they get out of control. Fig tree. Pomegranate. Hoping this thing's going to bloom soon. Another mulberry. This is a different type of mulberry than the one I have in the back. It likes to hide its fruit up underneath the leaves. And it's got a fair amount of fruit this year. This one is far superior in flavor than the other mulberries I have. Oh, there's a mulberry for me, right there.